Hello and welcome back to the Satat, your space for smart, sustainable, and stylish living. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics: how to transform a small apartment bedroom with practical, minimalist, modern upgrades. Apartment bedrooms can feel cramped, cluttered, and uninspiring. But with the right practical changes, you can turn even the tiniest space into a calm, stylish, and functional retreat. In this video, I'll share smart, real-life upgrades that combine minimalist modern style with everyday practicality, all without breaking the bank. First, consider a bed-to-desk convertible setup. In the daytime, your bed folds away into the wall, revealing a clean, spacious work area. At night, it folds back down into a comfortable sleeping space. It's perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who needs a home office but doesn't have a spare room. Choosing light oak or matte white finishes will keep the room feeling airy and uncluttered. Storage is everything in a small bedroom, and a raised platform bed with hidden compartments underneath is a game changer. You can store seasonal clothes, bedding, or even shoes all out of sight. Pair it with neutral linen bedding and warm wood tones to create a cozy, minimalist feel. Upgrading your wardrobe to a built-in unit with sliding doors can also make a huge difference. Sliding doors save space, while integrated LED lighting makes it easier to find what you need and adds a touch of modern luxury. Go for matte finishes in soft beige or light gray for a timeless look that blends seamlessly with minimalist decor. If you don't have room for a permanent desk, a foldable wall-mounted design is your best friend. Fold it down when you need to work and tuck it away when you're done. Pair it with a slim, comfortable chair, and keep the surrounding wall decor minimal for a clean, distraction-free environment. Lighting is another element that can completely transform how a small bedroom feels. Swap your single overhead bulb for a layered lighting approach, recessed ceiling lights for general brightness, LED strips for soft ambiance, and small bedside lamps for reading. Warm light temperatures will make the room feel cozy without losing that modern minimalist look. Finally, replace bulky swing doors with sleek sliding ones. This simple change instantly frees up valuable floor space and makes the room feel more open. Frosted glass or matte wood designs work beautifully in a minimalist interior. Small bedrooms in apartments can be challenging, but with thoughtful upgrades like these, you can maximize every inch while keeping your space beautiful, modern, and clutter-free. Which change would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the Satat for more space-saving, sustainable, and stylish design ideas.